aspirants, welcome to Jaipuria School of Business, a B school that offers contemporary professional education leading to rewarding careers. The 2-year full-time PGDM program at Jaipuria School of Business has carved a unique niche for itself in a short span of time as a B school focused on academic rigor. The contemporary curriculum offers a right mix of courses of study, certifications and workshops for holistic development of future-ready managers. The curriculum and pedagogy are designed to create T-shaped professionals for new age roles in the industry. The unwavering focus on skill development, creativity and innovation, critical thinking and problem solving is at the cornerstone of the PGDM curriculum at Jaipuria School of Business. The PGDM program offers specializations in 6 domains, viz. Finance, human resource management, marketing, operations and supply chain management, business analytics and international business. The 2-tier mentoring by faculty and the industry ensures that each individual is able to hone his or her capabilities and competencies. The faculty team with rich experience in academics, research, consultancy and industry ensures that every individual is able to realize his or her dreams and career aspirations. The list of consistent recruiters that visit our campus every year is a testimony to our continuing and consistent efforts despite disruptions. I would like to welcome you all to the hallowed portals of Jaipuria School of Business to give wings to your dreams. Have a nice learning journey.